Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can recover a hacked Facebook account. So without much ado, let's get straight to the video. If your Facebook account is hacked or compromised, what you need to do, you have to go here to Safari and then you have to write here Facebook account chat support or support chat. That's completely up to you. All right, so once when you do that, it will give you a link to chat support, and you have to click here, and it's going to redirect you to your Facebook. So here you can see there are a lot of prerequisites that they have told that you can do. And what you have to do is you have to go on manage account. You can find manage account right here. And here, once when you're here, you have to click on login and password, which is right in front of you. And once when you click login and password, it's going to send you here to this window. So you have to go down and you have to click on fix the login problem. And once when you do that, it will give you many options that you can choose, among which you can choose the best or the most suitable one that you find relevant to, the account being hacked. So what you need to do, you have to go down here and select recover Facebook account. If you can't access your account, click right here and it's going to open up a new window for us. And once when it does, you have to go down and click on, here you go, and then you have to click here on my account is compromised. So we have to click right here, and once when you do that, it's going to ask for your mobile number or your email. Let me write my email and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so once when you do that, it's going to ask, is it really you? Does this account belongs to you or not? If yes, we're going to click recover. Okay, once when you log in here, Facebook is going to give you two options. Either you can log in on another device to continue, or you can say, I don't have another device. Okay, so we can't click here. It's the end of it. If you don't have any other device, then, Facebook would say that, it won't let you in. So what you need to do is you have to log into another device, through another device, and that's how you can try to recover it. That's how actually you recover a hacked Facebook account. I know it might not be a complete solution, but once an account is compromised, it gets very difficult for us to recover it back, because the hacker usually changes the password, so it gets difficult. But however, if you follow these steps, and even if you email Facebook concerned about your issue, then it's obviously going to help you out, and it's going to take a step in order to recovering your account. So I hope this video was informative. Do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.